up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley, aka Pink-UniBudgetz, here on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and if you've not following me on them platforms, what you doing? I drop exclusive content on my Instagram and on my TikTok. And if you are new here, thank you so much for joining me on this journey. We are trying to get to debt-free and financial independence. And I hope you guys are doing a great day. Don't forget to hit that like button, like this video, because it helps me grow. And to subscribe, hit that little bell notification button if you enjoy what you see. So you know every time we upload, you know it's March Madness. So we are trying to upload every day for the month of March. So let's get into it. We are doing envelopes, savings box, and I might do the Hey Now Say Now is actually going to be a little bit later. It's going to be another video because I'm, stretching these videos out. I know a lot of people's, they not really watching all the way to the end. So I'm trying to help y'all by shortening up my videos just a little bit, and it'll help me too since I'm doing a video every day. So a lot of videos ain't going to be that long, but I still try to get that out here. Okay, so we're gonna jump right into it. So $15 is going into the 100 envelope. This is the envelope that I chose, so we are doing that. Back, and I see the progress, you guys, one envelope at a time. I haven't hit the big hitters yet, but we gonna get there. We gonna get there. So we got 5, 6, 7, 8. Put that back, and I'm gonna do 9, which is another 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh my gosh, that progress! I am so proud of myself. We are almost done with the Baddies and Budgets 20 envelope challenge. Oh my gosh. Hopefully very soon we will be doing a cash unstuffing of the 20 envelope challenge. So that is going to be coming. I think I got like 3 more left. Yeah, I think I got 3. Yeah, so I got 17, 19, and 18 left, which I'm excited. And then we'll be done, and then we'll do a cash unstuffing. So excited because this is going to my travel envelope, which I do because I have a trip in November that I'm going, and that's what that is going to. This is the 3K savings box. This is actually going towards my debt. So let's see, I think we did $50. Yeah, we're gonna just pick a 50 because I want to complete every section, but that other section only had like or I could do it. Oh, no. Hold on, stand by. No, I think I'm gonna do it. So 50 is gonna go in here. So $50. I think this is section 3, and we're going to knock off one of the 50s. Because in section 2, I know I need a 75 and 100. So hopefully the next time I get paid, I can knock out 100. And then that will be going towards my loans and my debt. And you'll understand when you see my debt confession. So we did that. And we just got a little bit. We don't got that much left to the cash stuff. But alright, you guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye.
Yeah.